Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to prevent your HP printer from going to sleep or turning itself off. So you might have noticed if you leave your printer on, then it kind of goes into a sleep mode, and when you try and print there's a delay, or sometimes you actually have to even go and press the button to wake it up. Or if it turns itself off, then you really have to go press the button to turn it back on again. So there's two places you could go and change these settings, so I can show you how to do that. So what you need to do is download the HP Smart app. You could get this from the Microsoft Store. You might already have it on your computer if you search under your Start items there and see if you have it. So once you download it, you open it up. And then if it doesn't recognize your printer, you need to add it. So make sure your printer's on and connected and running, so that way it'll find it. Then you could add it, and you could actually add more than one if you have more than one HP printer connected to your computer. So after that, you want to go to Printer Settings, and then Advanced Settings, and then the System tab, and then Energy Settings. It might be called Eco Settings on yours, depending how old your printer is. So Energy Settings, and then you'll have the Sleep Auto off after inactivity and Shutdown after inactivity. So if you want to change this to one of these other items here, so I'm going to change mine 15 minutes. You can't turn it off, but you could change it to up to an hour before it goes to sleep. And then the shutdown, you could bump that up as well. So if you want to leave it on, if you do 8 hours, by the time your workday is over, your printer will still be on, so you could probably be safe, there. And then you probably want to leave this checked to delay when ports are active so it doesn't turn off while you're doing something. Then just click on Apply. And then if you go back out, go back in to make sure the settings have saved, which they have. So, and then just close it out, and then you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.